Welcome everyone to 30 smart contracts in 30 days. Today we are going to see ERC721 non-fungible token standard, is also known as NFTs. So this standard is the following standard allows for the implementation of standard API for NFTs within smart contracts. The standard provides basic functionality to track and transfer NFTs. Let's see OpenZeppelin implementation for this. So this is OpenZeppelin documentation where we have an example smart contract for ERC721. Let's run this. I'm upgrading the version to 0.8.20. This smart contract imports two OpenZeppelin smart contracts. One is for ERC721 and one is for counters. So in the smart contract, in the constructor, we have name of the NFT and the symbol of the NFT. And we have a function called add item, which takes the address of the player and the token URI for the NFT. Token URI is a data of NFT like image, prides, all the information about the NFT is present in the token URI. And we have counter token ID, which stores the count of the NFTs being minted. So every time we call token IDs.current, we'll give the latest ID and we are going to mint the NFT with that particular ID. And we are setting token URI for that particular NFT and we are incrementing the token IDs so that next time it gives the next ID in when we call this function. Let's compile and deploy this contract. So it's successfully compiled. I'm deploying it on Mumbai. Okay, the contract is deployed. So this is the contract. So here let's verify the contract so that we can see the functions. Select Solidity single file and select 0.8.20, which is our compiler, and select MIT. So here we have to paste Solidity code that we can get it from Remix. So first we need to flatten and we have to copy this code. I'm not a robot. So the contract is verified. Now we can see the methods on the contract here. If you see, name of the NFT is game item and the symbol of the NFT is ITM. Now let's try to mint NFTs. So first let me connect my wallet. So I want to mint an item to this address. I'm putting the token URI, a sample token URI here, and I'm awarding this game item to the user. So there is one mint 42 seconds ago to this user. If you want to see the balance for this user, he has one token. Now let's transfer this token to a different user. So let's do a safe transfer from. First connect our MetaMask and we want to transfer to this address from our wallet. So we want to transfer token 0. The token 0 is transferred from this wallet to this wallet address. That's all for this video. See you again.